Alright guys, back again with another stream do-it-yourself video. Well, in this video guys, we're going to be discussing multi-streaming or re-streaming. If you are brand new to the stream do-it-yourself videos or series, then basically what we're trying to do here guys is save you time, money, and effort by giving you tips, tricks, and secrets that I wish I knew when I was starting my streaming career, and stuff that we've kind of learned throughout to make the whole process of live streaming and content creating a little bit easier for you guys and maybe not cost as much. So if you guys are also new to the channel as well, make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and showing me that these are the kinds of videos that you guys do want to watch. If you want to discuss this topic or give us topics for other videos in the future, ask me questions about live streaming, gaming, talk gaming, new games coming out, whatever it may be, I'm open to chat for pretty much about everything. Feel free to hop on into our Twitch chat at Knixx Official. Without any further ado guys, let's kind of jump in and discuss multi-streaming or re-streaming. Alright guys, but let's just kind of jump right on into it here with showing you guys the most classic way of multi-streaming or re-streaming, however you guys want to say or pronounce it, whatever. So basically the most known way, and it's the way we used to use, is restream.io. Now there are like a Streamlabs, I think there's other multiple ones. We're not going to be touching on any of those other ones. Basically they all work very similar, they all work pretty much the same, and that's basically it. So we're going to be discussing restream.io, which will be in the description below. Now this is going to let you stream to multiple different channels. After you've signed in and everything, what you're going to do is go ahead and add a channel. I've already added my channel, so I'm not going to add any more because I already have my channels added in. But once again, you add in the channels that you want, and then you have, if you want to do Facebook pages, fortunately you got to pay for it, but Twitch, Mixer, YouTube, they're all up in here. And if you wanted to go to your personal profile, you could for free as well using Restream as well. So after you've added all your platforms in that you guys are personally streaming to, you're gonna have a couple of them on. You're gonna want to make sure they're switched on, and you can go ahead and, for example, for my Mixer, I'm not gonna do it here, but I need to sign in again, so you might have some red words or something, an extra kind of step that you have to kind of take. If you go ahead and hit update titles here, this is how you're gonna go ahead and change the titles for either both or just the single one using the edit. So once again, very simple for that. You can use social alerts, which we haven't actually played around with very much, but I'm sure you can set those up to however you guys want. And then go back to the destinations, which again we want to make sure that they're all set up properly. And then if you added one that you no longer use, you can remove it, and or some of them let you edit the settings. So after you've kind of have that set up, you have your stream key and your RTMP URL. You're gonna make sure that you input those in your OBS accordingly. A lot of them now, like OBS.live, which is Stream Elements, actually has a restream button there where you actually sign in, and it makes it 10 times easier for you. And so yeah, that's basically going to be the bare bones, the minimum of knowing what to do. And if you did want to just use your webcam, you could do it right from just your webcam without an OBS, but most of you don't want to just stream a webcam. You can also go not live studio. You can go ahead into chat, which is right here, which will bring up your chat. You can download it for your Windows if you want, or you can just open it in your browser too. And this will actually display the chat of all your platforms that you have set up. So that way you can interact with everyone without having like 8 phones on your table. So not only that, they do have a custom widget as well if you want to add your screen chat to, your stream chat for all your streams to your website, to your live stream website. Wow. And they have their own analytics and stuff that read your kind of what's gone on when you're using them. I haven't used it in quite a while, so. And then a schedule, you can schedule live streams as well. So guys, that basically shows you that little kind of the bare bones of what you guys can do. Obviously, I suggest going in, messing around with it, setting it up to how you exactly how you like it, and learning all the features and stuff for yourself. Now guys, how I personally use this is a little bit different than how everyone else used it. And I feel that's important to kind of share, to give this video kind of its one off of kind of its own thing. So how we actually live streamed is, I would say probably 7-8 months ago, we used to stream to Twitch and Knixx. I used to stream to both of them at the same time. So I used Restream for them. And then I also live streamed to Facebook by itself, so I know I didn't have to pay for it. But the reasoning I did that is I was a level up affiliate on Facebook, and I still am, and didn't want to ditch that community that I had already built by live streaming and giving them the exact same content on different platforms. And not only that, I was using Facebook to grow my other platforms as well by releasing the different content and trying to bring them over on my Twitch and saying, hey, sometimes I stream over here. And really, people, if they already follow you in one place, chances are they're not going to follow you in another place unless the content is different. A lot of times where you meet the people on that platform is where they're watching their live streams. So normally, if you, let's say Facebook, if you have a community built on Facebook, it's a little bit different, but a lot of times, if it's the same content, they don't have any reason to go follow you on Twitch. So 90% of the time, they won't. So I had 2 separate things. Now I've kind of ditched Mixer. I don't use Mixer, haven't in quite a while. And I just stream to Twitch and Facebook, and they're completely different. I stream a couple nights a week on both of them, and it kind of, it makes it different content. And I've seen almost everyone that follows me on Facebook has followed me on Twitch in the last 2 months that I've done that. And everyone that streams on Facebook, everyone that watches my streams on Twitch pops on over eventually in my Facebook because I properly kind of advertise them. So that's how we do that, guys. And if you did like this video, make sure you're hitting that subscribe button, the thumbs up button, as well as leaving a comment of future videos, future things that you guys want us to cover, and save you some time setting up, or saving other streamers some time setting up. But until next time, guys, we hope to catch you then. Peace.